How to transfer Google Photos to another account in mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the way to transfer Google Photos to another account in mobile. So to do this, open up your Google Photos app. Now, what you need to do is you could go ahead and select the photos that you wish to transfer to another person. Let's see, I'm going to go with the multiple one. And when you've done that, you can go ahead and tap on the share button. As you've done that, you need to click on the more button once again, and here you could go and locate all of the people that have shared medias with. So you could either go ahead and quick share if the particular person is right next to you, or else you could go ahead and share with these contacts, or else what you can do is you could go ahead and create a link, and when you actually create a link, you could go ahead and directly share it with the other person. Since the other person will be receiving a notification, so the other person or the receiver have to do is just go ahead and enable that permission, and you'll be able to share it. So this way you could go ahead and transfer Google Photos to another account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.